Do you want an easy hairstyle with low maintenance? Are you looking for a clean, modern haircut for teenagers? Or are you searching for a top hairstylist in Dubai? If yes, this video is for you. Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. Today I'm showing you a low taper fade for boys with textured, fluffy hair on top, perfect for teenagers who want sharp sides and an easy everyday style. Now watch the video as we start creating the low taper fade and move step by step into scissor work to shape the hairstyle. Make sure to watch and enjoy the craft behind this clean and modern look.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me. Me dancing in the colors, lightning, blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here.
The top is cut using a zigzag technique to add texture and movement while keeping the hairstyle lightweight and easy to manage. For styling, I use our in-house medium hold pomade, water-based, easy to wash, and perfect for flexible hairstyles with natural movement. This haircut is done by Jason Makki and his professional barbers at Jason Makki Salon in Dubai. Don't forget to like and subscribe. A new video will be out soon. For more information, check the website link in the description. See you in the next one.
Subscribe now. Like the video.